And an overwhelming victory is forecast for administration senatorial candidates in the province of Pangasinan in the 13 midterm elections. Team Pinoy campaign manager Franklin Drilon believes Pangasinan remains an Aquino country. This report
is counting on Pangasinan to deliver the 12-0 vote this midterm elections. Pangasinan, which has been dubbed politically as Aquino country for delivering 43% of the votes to the chief executive in the last presidential elections. Team Pinoy campaign manager Senator Franklin Drilon is confident that Pangasinenses will give the same overwhelming support for the administration bets this May. Citing results of the 2007 senatorial elections, Drilon said a majority of the Team Pinoy candidates have always been winners in Pangasinan. He noted that re-electionist Senators Alan Cayetano, Chis Escudero, Loren Legarda, Coco Pimentel, and Antonio Trillanes, as well as incumbent Senators Edgardo Angara, father of Team Pinoy candidate Representative Sani Angara, and Senator Manny Villar, husband of candidate former Representative Cynthia Villar, registered impressive victories in the province in the 2007 senatorial elections. Pangasinan is one of the biggest provinces in Luzon by the number of voters in 2010. It has 1.62 million registered voters spread out in 6 districts, covering 44 municipalities and 4 cities. Nationalist People's Coalition Congressional Bet Leopoldo Bataul is confident President Aquino still has it. With lots of reforms and pro-poor projects, Pangasinan undoubtedly is still an ally of the administration.
Tayo pong lahat ay dapat na makialam at bumoto at maging matalino. Sundan po natin ang ating tamang desisyon, no? Tamang appreciation. At sino man ang nasa saluubin ninyo na suportahan sa eleksyon na ito ay dapat naaayon sa programa ng ating mahal na Presidente President Benigno Aquino III, no? Na kung saan ay nasa daang matuwid tayo. Lahat, kahit na anong political party, dapat nasa daang matuwid tayo.
For People's Television, George Bandola.